Hey guys, this is the Adobe Scan app tutorial. So very straightforward. I'm going to go into the app. It's going to pop up and it's going to immediately start scanning. So I'm just going to go until I can get the whole paper and it's going to scan right away. I'm going to push that the number one button, and the scan has already happened. So you can see it's very clear, it's very straight, there's no bad scans. So I'm actually going to cancel out and show you. So this is a good scan. I'm going to show you what a bad scan would be. Okay. So in order to do that, you push the camera button on the bottom right. And I'm going to have a bad scan here. Obviously, you can clearly see that that's a bad scan. A lot of it is cut off. I was very lazy in that, and that is just not gonna work. So make sure when you scan that you give plenty of room for the document and you hold very still. You push that right button and there it is. So you can print off any form you want. You can fill it out by hand. Make sure it's very legible, and then you're gonna click Save PDF on the top. Actually, no, sorry, you're gonna click, did you see that? You click the name of the document, and you're gonna rename it to whatever the document is. So it's a background check, so I just put my name and that it's a background check, and then I'm gonna click Save PDF. It'll save and it'll take me to the screen. You can see it's uploading the document now. Once it's complete, you're gonna click the share button and send it as an email to admin. And there you go, that's it. If it's a timesheet, if it's a client hourly log, if it's a behavior report, whatever it is, that's sent. You'll see it come in and I've received it now. Very straightforward, very simple. If you have multiple pages to scan, I'll show you how to do that real quick. Very simple. So that captured, let's say I put a new one down, I don't push anything, I put a new piece of paper down, the second page of it. Good, there's the second page. Let's say this document's 3 pages. Done. So now I click on the number 3, and it's got all 3 pages scanned together as one document. To edit, you push the little pencil, change it, Jake P BCI, and then you save it. Do the same thing, it's just the same process. Once it's done uploading it, you share it. Very simple. If there's any questions about it, please call your supervisor and they will help with any questions. All right, guys, thank you.